you might notice something a little different. As of right now, I have the front fairing and windshield off because I'm painting it to kind of match the tank a little bit more. If it ends up looking like garbage, I'll just paint it black again. But I tried to find a rattle can that pretty much matched up really close to this paint job, and I'm curious to see what it's going to end up looking like. I really just wanted to pump something out before the rain came. I know my voice probably sounds a little wonky right now. I've been kind of sick the past couple days, and I'm just not getting my voice back. I don't know what I had, to be honest with you, but I'm alive and well. It's kind of neat to see how this bike looks without anything on it. It really just kind of brings me back to my roots of having like a naked bike, and I enjoy that. So I guess stay tuned for the next clip whenever I end up putting the new fairing on. I mean, it's the same fairing, same windshield, I just changed the color of it. It's not going to make a drastic difference. Whenever I have it on here, whew, it's a big difference. Now I'm like hanging on for dear life. But I just wanted to kind of post a video to make sure y'all are still updated and in check. Not going anywhere, don't worry. Woo! Y'all want to launch it? Let's do it. That was pretty dope. One thing that's always been frustrating with YouTube is trying to make sure that your video's getting traction the way that you're expecting. It's always a fun time trying to figure out what the best content is going to be to put out. I went ahead and got this thing serviced recently just to make sure all of my I's are dotted and T's are crossed. Other than that, I haven't had a whole lot going on other than work. Like I was saying, I just wanted to give y'all a little update. Figured y'all would get an interesting view from not having a windshield on here. Other than that, I will try my best to get some longer videos out for y'all. Just wanted to give y'all a little update, see what things are doing, how we're rolling, and keep up with the posts. Let me know if there's certain things that you guys want to see. I did get some feedback saying that y'all wanted some longer video. So far, so good on the comments, so just keep on keeping an eye on what I got coming out. Unfortunately, today I won't be able to do that because it's supposed to rain, and I don't have a whole lot of battery life left. But on the next clip, next video, I guess, I'll record one at the end of this week if the weather cooperates with me, and I will try and crank out something with a little bit more length to it. You guys have a great day, afternoon, evening, night, morning, whatever it is for you. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.